Hello everyone! Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon wherever you are tuning in from. Well, happy Saturday. Happy Saturday guys. I hope you are enjoying your day. Well, I'm enjoying my day with my family. That's my husband in the background and that's my son beside me. So I just want to share with you guys how lovely this view is. We went out. So we went out just few minutes ago. I think it's nearly an hour ago. So we decided just to have a road trip, short road trip. And we landed here. So it's a beautiful place. I think we already went here a few years back, but today is different. The scene is really lovely because there is a fog and it's nearly sunset. So I'll show you guys the background, the view. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Look. It's nearly sunset and it's foggy as well. So if you can see those those lines, it's the fog. There are also those ducks, though. Very beautiful. It's a lovely view. Simple, but it's very relaxing. I hope guys you enjoyed it because I'm enjoying it. Napakaganda po ng and though it's quite cold, it's still good. It's getting colder, but it's bearable, guys. So I'm just grateful that we can do it every now and then. And I'm grateful that I have this business with me. I can bring it anywhere. Even though we have meetings, we have those trainings, well, just by using the internet and my phone, I can still do it while I'm out with my family. So that's the beauty of this business, guys. That's why I'm so grateful and I'm so passionate to share this business to everyone out there. Because you'll never know, guys. I know that feeling when you can't go out or you can't have more time with your family because you are working. So this business lets me do things that I love while my business is running in automation, guys. And so this is really beautiful, isn't it? Look at those scene, those view. It's like in the postcards. So this one is a short go live, guys, because we just need to walk and walk. It's a beautiful day. It's a lovely day, cold weather, but it's a good day because you know, when you are doing things that you love and you're spending time with the family, so it's a blessing. So that's my husband, guys. He is out walking as well. So that's it for now, guys, and thanks for watching. Have a lovely Saturday and God bless you all. Bye.